I'm Eric Van Ruff, owner of Wilderness Auto Service, Chevron, and U-Haul. It was Bill and Sue Van Ruff who bought our shop in 1975. We're still here, and we've grown from a small service station to offering much more, including being your local U-Haul dealer. Now enjoy our car tips video. Back in a moment.
If you're buying a new vehicle and are in a quandary over whether to buy a car or a truck, Car and Driver publishes an article on their website called 9 Reasons You Should Buy a Truck or SUV. Here's what they say in favor of trucks. Number 1, you use your vehicle for work, hauling stuff, all kinds of stuff. Second, you have more than 5 family members, sometimes a lot more. Number 3, you have 2 child seats. You probably also have a baby stroller, diaper bag, and 2 adults. 2 frequently exhausted adults. You need a big vehicle. According to Car and Driver, you live someplace that gets lots of snow. Imagine this in a car. Number 5, you are more comfortable in a truck. It's roomier, which is even more important if you're a big guy or gal. 6th, you have a big dog. I said a big dog. 7th, you take the road less traveled, which is to say, you get off of paved roads sometimes. Number 8, you need a trailer for camping or boating. And lastly, it's easier to jump into a truck than to lower yourself into or climb out of a car. Next month, cars get their chance.
Please like our Facebook page at Wilderness Auto Service and Chevron and comment on our posts. We love hearing from you.